What's up guys, it's me Geek. So the question is that where to learn C++ OpenGL? If you have any such question, my email address is in the description box below. If you want to change your life, read the book called The Power of the Habit. Hi Jimmy, I want to learn how to program in C++ OpenGL. Do you know where I can begin? I'm hoping to become a good programmer and want to know where should I learn. Normally, I'll be telling you to buy the book called Introduction to C. Which one? Okay, I do not do that one. Introduction to C++ Programming and Graphic book. The link will be in the description box below. And the two websites I recommend. The website I recommend is OpenGLtutorial.org and OpenGLdev@spade.co.uk. Yeah, these two websites I recommend. The links will be in the description box below. At the end of the day, to master OpenGL, if you're going to use C++, even you can use Python for OpenGL nowadays. I mean, you need to practice. First, you need to be very good at C++, and then you need to practice. Yeah. If you have any more question, you can email me at ask@gmail.com. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.